This is one of the top cybersecurity stocks right now, and it has been holding up decently despite the current weakness in the market. Palo Alto Networks provides the next generation of cybersecurity to all kinds of customers around the world. They have over 80,000 enterprise clients like Southwest Airlines or University of Michigan, and they use AI and machine learning to find cybersecurity threats. Just recently, in August of 2023, they won 3 2023 Google Cloud Partner of the Year awards for security. Since the company IPO'd back in 2012, the company has surged an outstanding 1,375% in 11 years. And that's even though it has not had one profitable year in over a decade. The reason for that is that their expenses are extremely high due to things like stock-based compensation, which they claim is necessary to attract talent in Silicon Valley where they operate. That's also because they've been heavily investing into growth, making 18 acquisitions since 2014. Their fiscal year 2024, though, should be the first year that the company shows 4 consecutive quarters of profitable growth, because the company has set out to have a new focus on profitability, which is expected to take it 3 years ahead of its profitability goals according to the CEO. Even though they do have a pretty high PE, the stock has rising earning estimates. Their latest quarter saw huge net income increases and net profit margin increases. They also have a history of outperforming their earning estimates, and the stock is up 88% this year to date in 2023. Do you think it will continue to rally?